Yeah. Money more, money more, money more, money more dangerous. Let's do this again.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm here to show you how you can tie your everyday scarf on yourself, on your head by yourself. So I've got this blue beautiful scarf on my head because I wasn't showing my hair that day, so I thought I had something to cover my hair. I'm going to show you guys. So I divided this, I just folded it into two and got the middle and went round and tied it at the back. Boom boom, just like that. And then once I tied it, I took each side and brought it across on the top of my head. So I tied it firm to secure it, because again, like I said, I hadn't done my hair. I didn't really want to show my hair, and I just wanted something nice and cute to go with my outfit. Get me? So I got this. I got one side, placed it over my head and brought it around to the other side and placed it nice and firm, and I repeated the same thing on the other side, and that was it, guys. Continue to watch and I'll see you at the end of this video. Do not forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps other people it helps the algorithm get the video to other people like yourself. And again, you can share the link to your friends, family, and everybody and anybody. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the most important thing, because I will be uploading more often, more frequently. So you would always know when I have uploaded new content. Guys, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching.
Yeah. Money more, money more, money more, money more dangerous. Let's do this again. Money more dangerous. They like the way I greet them. They say my flows are dangerous, but no one want them.
I'm a very good bad boy. I put caution. Take a picture, no caption. Them boys over there, they're capping.
I'm on fire, I'm on no fit tire. Got things on my mind, I want to talk my cause swallow. Oh God, the alpha. Back then you never wanted to see me do it proper. Now I done the prosper. You they shut their fire.
That's on you. See me, I am lovable. Since I saw I got people like water, no enemies. One more in me. One lately, one by me. I'm at top, you see me. As a star, I'm shining.
Money more dangerous. They like the way I give them. They say my flows are dangerous, but no one want them.
I'm a very good bad boy. I put caution. Take a picture, no caption. Them boys over there, they're capping.
Who goes though? If I feel share them, I tell you though. Who goes though? If I feel share them, I tell you though.
There's nobody better than Bonus. My bad for the girls and you know he's dangerous. Round here we flexing, Jai times 2 and we never serious. Chop my life and no send you. You know your girl wanna I go give her one, no darling. And my guys them know no capping. Who is dangerous? It's squared, I'm dangerous. Michael Jackson dangerous. SF them dangerous. Who is dangerous? It's squared, I'm dangerous.